do-it-yourself synth. This is a pretty good update to show you some interesting things that I've got going. One is the update on the VCO. This is the state of it for now. I'm getting to the point where the only thing slowing me down is finding a Tempco resistor. Pardon my kid upstairs, he's very tired. He's 2. So a tired 2-year-old is a noisy 2-year-old. But this is coming along fairly well. I've got a lot of the soldering done. I'm very pleased with it, although it could have been a bit better. Some of the soldering is a bit blobby. Because again, this is a self-etched board, and I think that maybe it's not as clean as it could be. But anyways, it's coming along, and it will work. And these are all the components. Most of them are in place. The only thing missing now is really the Tempco resistor, and then it's good to go. Everything else is there, with the exception of a few things that are still waiting to be mounted. And I just got in the mail a sorry, that was something falling. A bag of pots. And I'm happy about that. These are the ones I need for this. So I can proceed with the panel fairly well. The only thing I don't have are the jacks. Don't have any jacks yet. But I got pots. Yay. So I can put that together today. And what fell on the floor was a 10-step sequencer I'm building to drive a signal to the VCO, because I don't have a keyboard yet for this thing. So I thought this is easier to build. 10 steps. And I'll have that done soon. Here's the circuit for it. It's already built because I'm cannibalizing it from another synth I have. I made it for this synth here, and this is going to be cannibalized for parts. So pardon for the camera shaking and the camera blurring. But this is the, it's already done for this part, and all I have to do is wire it up to this, figure out the wiring, which will be a lot of fun, and may not happen today, but it's coming along fast. And then I can plug it into the power supply. This can run on 15 volts. The power supply puts out 15 volts linear, so that might be good. And it'll be my first test to see how well all that works. And as you may know, I've got my rails built and missing. Here's one. This is my rail, my power rail. And I have these guys printed on my 3D printer to support the rail and hold it in place while it's on. So they would go along the back of the synth and run from the power supply, which will be mounted properly, not flopping around on the desk. These will be mounted, and this will be mounted. And this is a complete mess right now. It's absolutely horrible, but it's all coming together, and in my brain it makes sense. All of this does make sense. So, and this is the final print on the logo. Remember the last video, which I apologize for the audio, but this is my handheld cell phone. This is what it looks like right now. I may redesign it, but this is currently how it is. So yeah, I apologize for the audio on the last video. It was very quiet. So I apologize for that. But I think that will look pretty awesome, actually. Not sure about the color. I like black. I might just do straight black. So anyways, thank you for tuning in. I hope this audio is a bit better. This is my old iPhone 4 that I'm using to do this. And so the audio is not the best. But, you know, without getting a proper microphone, this is just really going well. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.